folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Coming to you from the man cave. We're going to unbox and assemble, we'll probably unbox first, the Servos RC MIG 29 Twin 64. This is the McCoyan MIG 29. All right, let's go ahead and open her up and see what's in the box. I'm really hoping it's an airplane. Big shout out to Hobby Zone for sending this out to me. Now this is my second Servos MIG 29. My first one was long before I was ever an affiliate and sponsored by Hobby Zone, and when I was first getting into jets, so my skill level was not that good, and it was not, needless to say, that MiG has seen much better days. Well, Hobby Zone said, well, we didn't get a, you know, you did unbox that one, but we never got a build or a maiden with you being an affiliate and sponsored, so we would like to send you another one. I said, okay. So here we go. We're going to unbox it, and then we'll probably do a build video separately, and then I'll do a radio separate video. That will include how to put in safe and AS3X and all that, because we're going to be using a AR, if I can get it, a AR631 antenna, which has safe select, and also Hobby Zone sent that out to me also. Thank you, Hobby Zone. Now, manual's nice, flat right there, not folded at all. And they have an addendum in this that says you're going to want to have about 5 milliliters of down elevator mechanically adjusted before you ever fly. So 5 milliliters of down elevator. CG is 95 to 110 back from the leading route. There's a little addendum that was in the instructions. Nothing special other than that. Now we will have to glue on the vertical stabilizers, but other than that, she's a pretty simple, I want to say it's a 1.5 or maybe a 2 millimeter hex drive should put it together all day long. Manual is not flat, not folded. 2 of the missiles, I'm going to put them off to the side. Actually, I'll put them right here. Okay, where's my knife at? Where's my knife, man? What'd I do with my knife? I've lost my knife. Okay, I just had my knife. Lost it just that quick. Okay, well, okay, we'll have to pause while I find my knife. I just had my knife in my hand. What did I do with my knife? Oh, it's right here. Okay, we're back. I've got my knife. Got your nose cone. So now, by the way, if you buy this plane, go ahead and buy another nose cone when you're ordered, if they have them in stock. Trust me on that one. Wingspan. More of the missiles. Okay. 1 of your vertical stabilizers. One wing, and like with all Servos products, the foam finish is absolutely fabulous. Ball links are already hooked up for you, already nice and trim. Only got 2 connections, flap and aileron, and I think the lights are incorporated. Yeah, lights are wide into your flaps there, so that's nice. Over here in this corner, a little bag of bits and bobs. This is the torpedo tube that actually screws on the end, and all of your screws, and the 2 control rods that you'll have to hook up, which are your rudders, I believe. Okay. Well, that's like really tight on there. That's been sitting in there a while. Again, very nice. Yeah, that's been sitting in there for quite a while. Okay. Again, always keep up with your trash. Try to pay attention to how you unbox the aircraft. For God forbid you have to send it back for whatever reason, which usually you don't. They would rather deal with you over the phone or by email and send you out the parts to fix whatever the issue is, if you have an issue. Okay. Oh. Didn't. Also the wrapped in white, why I didn't see it, the other horizontal stabilizer, otherwise known as elevator. And then of course in here is the main event. More missiles. Very nice, very nice. And you'll know you have one of the newer MIGs if you have the hard nozzles. These nozzles are like really, really hard. Actually, I think even harder than my first one. And hopefully, I don't know if that will stand on its tail like that. Before I show you inside the fuselage, let me get the vertical stabilizers out, otherwise known as rudders. Very nice. Now this, you're going to want to use a servo tester on these because these are going to be glued in. And once they're glued in, you'd have to pull all this up here in order to change out that servo. So you want to test them before you glue down the vertical stabilizers. All right, let's get our... Okay. All right, we will pause for a minute. All right. Okay, we're back. Show you the inside of the fuselage. Got the mechanical hatch, which is cleverly painted to match. Okay. Everything is labeled. There. Yeah. Now, you will need a full 6 channels, and you're going to have to use, see that little red and black wire there? That is your UBEC. That has to have a power source. Now, if you need another channel, you can always wire that in, but it just has to have power to initialize the 2 ESCs. Velcro already down, and you have an EC5 connection. Alrighty, so basically that's all you've got. Got your nose cone, which is on there magnetically. You have your 2 wings. Okay, you're going to install your 2 horizontal stabilizers, and if you look, there's a notched out metal area. It's where one of the screws, the flat part of the screw, is going to attach right in there and hold that in place, and that just works freely. All right, well, that's pretty much the unboxing. Pretty simple setup. You got a wing spar, slap your wings on, 2 screws, put in your vertical stabilizers. By gluing them in, check your servo first, and then you're going to bolt on your horizontal stabilizers, and then you hook up those 2 ball links. That's the only hookup, and that's the basic assembly. But this is the basic unboxing. We'll come back in just a few minutes for an assembly video. And trust me, it is an assembly, even though we do have to glue on. While we're during the break, I will take the liberty of taking a razor knife, and I'm going to score, or just make little cuts in all the areas on these vertical stabilizers where they're going to touch, where we're going to have foam to foam connections at. Other than that, that's the only thing I'm going to do off camera. Everything else you will see. All right, Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is the unboxing of the Arrows RC MiG-29. God bless y'all, and thank you so much, Hobby Zone, for sending this out for review. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then MIGs. Bye-bye.